You'll never guess what's coming next week, but first, fudge frosting. We're starting off with 3 3/4 cup powdered sugar, a cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup of heavy cream, and half a cup of butter. First thing we're going to do is add in our powdered sugar and our cocoa powder. Now with this, you need to whisk it together to kind of get the party started. This is going to help it just mix together much easier and taste so much better. Now you got your whisking done, we're going to need to attach this to your KitchenAid if that's what you're rocking. Add in your butter all at once is totally fine. Let it mix for a little bit, and you're not going to be able to tell that it's like incorporated, so you're going to do that to yourself. Don't make a mess, don't turn it above medium, bad idea. Now we're adding in that vanilla extract. Everything can go in at once, and then the heavy cream we want to do a little bit more slowly. If you add in all the heavy cream at once, it's actually going to seize on you, and it's going to take a lot longer to incorporate into the actual frosting, and it's likely that it's going to be a little bit watery anyway, so you might want to restart. Go slow, take it slow, let it happen. And I needed a little bit of extra. You can use that for whipped cream, for crepes, which by the way is a video that's coming soon. You're done. You are done. From here, it's smooth sailing. Scrape down your K-hook, put it into a bowl, taste a little bit of it. Ooh, nice fudgy buttercream. Look at that.